right, have you been looking for a 4-bedroom colonial with 2.5 baths? Here it is, 36 Vinegar Hill Road. And this is the location of Ledyard, which is known as Gales Ferry. We'll get you through this home in no time. The property is situated on an acre of land. One thing that's nice about this property is this has privacy in the back. Now that the leaves have come out, the home that is behind it right there and the one right there, you can't see. And we have a deck, which we'll get to, and a lower level walkout, which we'll get to. Side people door to the 2-car garage is right here. Gales Ferry, convenient to electric boat and the sub base. This home is just 8 years young in the sense that it was built in 2018. It's a total of 1,956 square feet. Beautiful red select hardwood right here. Flooring. This is a custom home built by John George. John always has the swirled ceiling, beautiful casing, larger baseboard, 5 1/4 base, direct vent, gas fireplace, propane fired. The dining room right here has wainscoting, or actually chair rail. Breakfast area right here, really conveniently located, nice opening right here to the family room. And this has got quick access to the deck. You probably have your grill out here. Here's the view of the yard. Maintenance-free vinyl siding. We've got a Hydro-Air heating system we'll show you last. Hydro-Air oil-fired. Granite countertops, tile flooring right here. Also a gas range right there. The 2-car garage. No lolly column in the center. Nice 2-car garage. That's the people door on the left side of the house. You've got a little reach-in pantry right here. Coat closet reach-in right here. First floor laundry, convenient. Plenty of depth right there. Powder bath. Finishes off the first floor. Jumping up to the second floor. This home is ready for immediate occupancy now that the seller has completed their move out. Primary bedroom, right front of the home. It's got a full bath ensuite, double reach-in closet right there. Single vanity, 6 drawers, actually 3 drawers and 3 doors on that layout. Tub shower combo, tile in both the upstairs bathrooms. Linen closet right here. Reach-in closet for bedroom number 2. Bath 2. Same configuration. Tub shower right there. Bedroom 3. I'm in the left rear corner of the house. Again, reach-in closet right there. This one has a view looking into the backyard. And completing the second floor, bedroom number 4 at the left front of the home. Again, another reach-in closet. Classic 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial. Built in 2018. We've got one more level to show you, which is the potential for expansion in the living area. Unfinished basement right here. Beautiful thing that we've got down here is you could easily frame out the utility area. You've got the septic system, which is going off to the right side of the property. Oil tank right there. Hydro-Air system, which is oil fired. So this equipment right here makes your hot water, and then it sends the heat also out to the 2 air handlers. One which is in the basement, one which is in the attic. Here is my walkout basement door on grade. Do a home theater or rec room office down here. Here's that air handler. Water treatment system, We are served by private well and septic here. Last but not least, Shane from Access Electric. Quality work Shane does. 200 amp service with 40 breaker panel. I would schedule your showings today. Get your favorite agent to show you the home. 36 Vinegar Hill Road, Ledyard, Connecticut. Thank you.